Here's how to add yourself to any photo Snapseed. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add yourself to any photo on the app called Snapseed. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see, I have this app called Snapseed, and I'm just going to show you how you can add yourself to any photo, which it doesn't have you, and you can just add yourself directly into it, and it's very simple. Just simply open up Snapseed and it will ask you to tap anywhere to open photo. So just tap anywhere and then choose the photo. So I'm just gonna choose just background photo right over here, and here, as you can see. So once you've chosen the photo, just simply go ahead and press on tools, and then you'll see many options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on double exposure. Trust me guys, this is very easy. Just simply follow my steps after that. Once you're in double exposure mode, you just gotta go ahead and press on this picture icon right over here which says plus picture. Go ahead and press on that, and then choose the person picture here, as you can see. Now let me just adjust it real quick right over here. Here we are. Now you simply need to increase the opacity of this picture, which is this paint icon right over here, and you drop basically. Just increase the opacity just like that, and then press done. Once you're done with the picture, just go ahead and press on this layer option on the top, and then just press on view edits. Now you'll see double exposure setting. Just go ahead and press on double exposure, and then this paint setting right over here. And now you just gotta go ahead and press on this invert option, which is in the corner, and now you'll be able to see this. Now you just gotta zoom in, and you're on the brush mode. Now I'm just gonna increase the double exposure mode to 100, and then brush out the person that I want to. Just quickly brush out this person. And here we are. Now once you've brushed out the person, just gotta go ahead and press on invert settings, and here, as you can see, now the person is inside the picture, but you did some imperfections, and you made some small mistakes. So what you can do now is just reduce the double exposure settings, and now just simply to 0, and then you can just delete it just like that. Here, as you can see, you can pretty much remove, but you just got to be careful, or you can just delete the person itself. You have to take your time with that, and just zoom in, and do some stuff like that. I'm not perfect at removing stuff, but yeah, here we are. Now I'm just gonna press OK, and here, as you can see, I didn't did a good job, but here, as you can see, it's simply showing the person, and I did the thing, and you can do it pretty much for yourself now. And yeah, once you're done with that, and here, as you can see, you're good to go, and then you can just copy, and then yeah, you're good to go after that. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can add yourself to any photo Snapseed. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.